Hey guys, how's it going? We're going to change the oil in the Mercury 60 horse. It's 4-stroke. I bought it in 2020, right before COVID actually. I think it was in February. I bought it in the winter of 2020. Anyway, bought this, you buy a little kit, oil, Quicksilver. Before I bought, just buy a gallon of oil. But of course, it didn't take a whole gallon. And this kit comes with 3 quarts. Plus, it's also got a seal, which goes on this. There's a nut over here, or it's not a nut. It's a screw. And once you pull that off, this is where you drain your oil at, right here. So when you drain the oil, I've got the motor cocked over. You drain the oil out, and you put this seal. I don't know if you guys can see that thing. Yeah, you can see it now. It's got a seal, and that goes on that nut or on that screw. And then it's, of course, it has an oil filter. It's a little bitty thing, but it works. And of course, your 3 quarts of oil come in the kit. And we'll have to fill this with, fill your filter with oil. And of course, you oil your ring, your rubber ring. You would never want to put those on dry. It'd be a no-no. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get this bolt out. All right, let me get the camera set up a little bit better where we can actually see what's going on here. Let's see. All right. Let's see what size it is. This camera over here doesn't get a very good shot. I'm blocking the shot, but we'll see how it works out. It looks like maybe 18, and it is. Coolly. I got it. It was tight. I wonder who put that on. I did. All right, I got my oil drip pan down here. Open that so I can breathe. All right, let's see what happens here. I'll pull my glove off. I can actually feel what the world I'm doing. There it is. You can see the old washer. I don't know, can you see it? You can see the old washer on the screw. All right. All right, I've got packing. All right, that's it. Really, there's no correct side on this. It just, they're both the same either way. Sort of screwed on there. All right, gonna put this in. This is going in the trash. Put it back in the box. Looks like it's dried out or drained out pretty good here. Drained out a lot of oil. There we go. Just wipe that area out where that screw goes in. Alright, I tightened it enough. Basically, that little washer that I put on there, a little yellow washer, basically it crushes. It's just basically a crush washer and a seal washer. Okay, now I'm going to drop the motor. I'm going to move this oil bucket. I'm going to put there was a, alright. Alright, the kit comes with this little deal here to keep it from spilling oil everywhere. Let's move this. There we go. What I am going to do is I'm going to stuff towels all underneath that thing. Let me, I'll be right back. Okay, I'll take some towels, stuff underneath there. Last time I did this, seemed like it spilled underneath. So I can stuff it. All right, let's see if that'll work. It was just like that. And evidently enough oil will catch in this. Anyway, we'll find out. Nope, I'm gonna have to have some oil pliers. Be right back again. All right. Pliers. Should be able to turn that by hand now. Jiminy. Well, I can't get a grip on it. All right. There it is. Just a little bit of oil dripped out of there. It wasn't much. All right. I'm going to take one of our quarts. We're going to put oil in this thing. We do not want it dry. And we're going to pull the top of that gasket. Oop. All right, now I got oil in that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go in there and clean that surface off where that oil filter was sitting. All right. You need to go in there and visually inspect it. Make sure there's nothing on it. All right. Now it's probably going to spill out because you got to turn it completely sideways. So here we go. Yeah, it spilled out a little bit. Not bad. All right. All right. See, it was just a little bit. It wasn't bad. Not bad at all. I don't see any spill down. No, there was none spilled. That deal caught it all. A dipstick. Clean it off. All right, there's a filler over here where you put your oil in. Grab a pair of pliers. All right. Over here on the other side, I know you guys can't see it, so let's see the hole. So I just took this yellow cap. And this is where we're going to put the oil in. Okay. All right. Man, it gets set back up. All right, there we go. All right. I've got the key. All right, what we're going to do is turn the kill switch off, or to where the motor won't start. All we'll be able to do is turn it over, and that's all I want. I just want it to pump some oil Here we go. All right. All right. I don't know if you guys can see. It's got a little hole in the dipstick for the bottom, and then it's got one in the top. I don't know if you can see that, make it out, but anyway, there's a hole for full and a hole for low. So we're going to poke this back in here. And it's about halfway. So what I'm going to do is add a little bit of oil. Put that cap back on. I just hate having something open like that. Here we go. We're going to put a little bit in here. Little Mercury 2540. Of course, that's they're both 2540s. So I'm going to put just a little bit in here. All right. That's all right. We're going to call it good right there. Put the fill cap back on. Okay. Let's move that. All right. Hey guys, we finished up the motor on the 60 horse. As you can see, I need to date the filter. That way I had no guesswork. Anyway, we're done putting all the oil in, and now I just got to clean up a little bit. I'm going to try to go fishing tomorrow. So anyway, I wanted to get the oil done. It needed it. It probably had, I guess, about 90. I think it had 90 hours on it. So they recommend a 100-hour oil change. So anyway, got it changed and we're done. Anyway, remember Romans 1:16. I'm not ashamed of the gospel. So God bless. You guys take care. Bye. Good one. Alright, that's a good one. It's a good one.